The word symmetry comes from a Greek word meaning to measure together. Symmetry is quite a common term used in day-to-day life. When we see certain figures with evenly balanced proportions, we say they are symmetrical. Mathematically, symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in some way, turn, flip, or slide. For two objects to be symmetrical, they must be the same size and shape, with one object having a different orientation from the first. These pictures are beautiful because of their symmetry. Suppose we could fold a picture in half such that left and right halves match exactly, then the picture is said to have line symmetry. See, look at the picture Taj Mahal. Yes, we have one line of symmetry. If we place a mirror on the fold, then the image of one side of the picture will fall exactly on the other side of the picture. When it happens, the fold which is the mirror line is the line of symmetry for the picture. Look at this butterfly. We have one line of symmetry, smiley. Look at this beautiful diagram. We have 6 lines of symmetry. In this video, let us understand the concepts of symmetry using the exercises given in NCERT textbook grade 6 chapter 13. Now let us see exercise 13.1. List any 4 symmetrical objects from your home or school. We can see many symmetrical objects at school and at home. So here are a few: blackboard or green board, then pencils, duster. These are at school. Board pin. Yes. So you can write your own examples. For the given figure, which one is the mirror line, L1 or L2? So look at the picture. So when we fold with the line L2, the left part matches exactly to the right part. So L2 is the mirror line. Identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw the lines of symmetry as well. The first one, is it symmetric or not? Yes, we can draw one line in the middle. So it is symmetric. Second one, yes, it is also a symmetric figure. C, no. D, yes, that is one line of symmetry. And E, it has horizontal line of symmetry. Yes. So how many lines are there for line of symmetry is there for F? We can draw like this. When we fold, it will match exactly. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 lines of symmetry are there for this figure. So it is symmetrical. Copy the following on a squared paper. A squared paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such that the dotted line is the line of symmetry. So look at the first picture. We should draw the mirror image of this. So first picture will looks like this. Yes. So we should draw like this. In the second one, so we draw like this. Straight, down, straight, again up. Then we should join both. Next picture will looks like this. So it is very easy to draw in squared paper. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. So we should draw one line like this. So it will be symmetric. So shall we draw? So it will look like this. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Draw the image of triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. First let us draw this. Now we should draw one more triangle to make this picture symmetric. So how it will be? Yes. Now look at the picture. It is symmetric. Now let us see exercise 13.2. In this exercise we learn figures with two lines of symmetry and more than two lines of symmetry, that is multiple lines of symmetry. See the first question, find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shapes. See the first one, we have two rectangles. So how many lines of symmetry are there? We can draw diagonally, horizontally and vertically. So total how many? 4 lines of symmetry are there. In second one, again we have 4 lines of symmetry. So we can draw horizontally like this. Yes. So we have 4 lines of symmetry for this figure. See C1. Yeah, now it will match exactly when if we fold this. Here we have diagonally, horizontally and vertically. So again we have 4 lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry are there for this D1? We have only one line of symmetry, isn't it? Here we have 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines of symmetry are there for this picture. And F1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 6 lines of symmetry. Is there any lines of symmetry for G? No. H? No. So it looks like symmetrical picture, but we can't fold and match exactly, isn't it? So there's no lines of symmetry for H. I, we have 5 lines of symmetry like this. Yes. Copy the triangle in each of the figures on square paper. In each case, draw the lines of symmetry, if any, and identify the type of triangle. Okay. So first let us do one by one. First let us draw the first one. It is an isosceles triangle. So we have only one line of symmetry. Second one, again it's an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So it has only one line of symmetry. If you fold this paper, both will match exactly. Third one, it is again an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So it has one line of symmetry. D, it is a scalene triangle. None of the side is equal, isn't it? All sides are different, so no lines of symmetry. Complete the following table. So we have given some shapes here: equilateral triangle, square, rectangle, isosceles triangle, rhombus and circle. So let us draw the rough figure and draw the lines of symmetry. So an equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Square 4, rectangle 2, Isosceles triangle, 1. Rhombus, it has 2 lines of symmetry. Rhombus means all sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. Circle, infinitely many lines of symmetry are there. We can draw many lines of symmetry for circle, so infinite. Can you draw a triangle which has exactly 1 line of symmetry? Yes, one just now we saw, isn't it? Isosceles triangle, it has only 1 line of symmetry. Exactly 2 lines of symmetry? No, we cannot draw any triangle with 2 symmetric lines, isn't it? Now third one, yes, equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. So the picture will looks like this. Then scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. On a squared paper, sketch the following. A triangle with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So it must be an isosceles triangle, isn't it? So but we are asked to draw a horizontal line of symmetry. So the picture will looks like this. So the horizontal line, a triangle with horizontal line of symmetry. Now in this triangle we don't have any vertical line of symmetry. A quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry. So it must be a rectangle. Rectangle shows the horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry. A quadrilateral with a horizontal line of symmetry but no vertical line of symmetry. So it is a trapezium. It shows no vertical line of symmetry. Quadrilateral, four-sided closed figure. Yes. A hexagon with exactly 2 lines of symmetry. So hexagon means 6-sided closed figure. So it should be like this. So we have only 2 lines of symmetry for this hexagon. Next question is a hexagon with 6 lines of symmetry. So we can draw a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all 6 sides are equal. So we'll get the picture like this: 6-sided closed figure with equal sides. It is regular hexagon. Trace each figure and draw the lines of symmetry if any. So we should trace this first and then draw the lines of symmetry. So for the first figure, we don't have any lines of symmetry. So the given figure has no lines of symmetry as it is not symmetrical. Second picture, so we have 2 lines of symmetry in this. 4 lines of symmetry. Then D1, it has 2 lines of symmetry. So this figure has only 1 line of symmetry. The last one, we have 2 lines of symmetry for this picture. Consider the letters of English alphabets A to Z. List among them the letters which have vertical lines of symmetry, horizontal lines of symmetry, no lines of symmetry. So first let us write the letters which have vertical lines of symmetry. So these letters A, H, I, M, O, T, U, P, W, X and Y. All these letters have vertical lines of symmetry. And horizontal lines of symmetry, B and these letters. So these letters have horizontal lines of symmetry. Some letters have both vertical and horizontal lines, isn't it? So here H has both vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. I, O, X, all these letters have both symmetries. So these letters have no lines of symmetry. Here we have 2 folded sheets, designs drawn about the fold. In each case, draw a rough diagram of the complete figure that would be seen when the design is cut off. So how the picture will looks? Yeah, the first one will looks like this, and the second one it looks like this. Line symmetry and mirror reflection are naturally related and linked to each other. In this exercise 13.3, let us learn more about reflection and symmetry. See the first question, we are asked to write how many lines of symmetry are there. So the first one we have 4 lines of symmetry, and the second one we have only 1 line of symmetry. Here we have 4 pictures. How many lines of symmetry are there for the first one? 2. Second D1 we have 2 lines of symmetry, and E only 1 line of symmetry. F we have 2 lines of symmetry. So the next question is, copy the following drawing on squared paper. Complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has 2 dotted lines as 2 lines of symmetry. So we should complete this picture, and there should be 2 lines of symmetry. Let us do one by one. See the first one. Yes, now we have, after completing, we have 2 lines of symmetry. See the second one, how it will looks. Yes, we have 2 lines of symmetry. Next C1. D also have 2 lines of symmetry. E and F will looks like this. So all these pictures have 2 lines of symmetry. In each figure alongside, a letter of the alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given line. Find which letters looks the same after reflection. So we are asked to try for these letters. Let us try one by one. The letter and its image are symmetrical with reference to the mirror line. If the paper is folded, the mirror line becomes the lines of symmetry. Now shall we check what are the letters in this have the same reflection. So letter A, then O, then M, H, T, V and X. These letters have the same reflection. So if we notice that, see, these letters have vertical lines of symmetry. So those letters which have vertical lines of symmetry will have the same image. So dear students, symmetry has plenty of applications in everyday life, as in art, architecture, textile technology, design creation, geometrical reasoning, columns, rangoli, etc. So enjoy learning. Thank you, students.